Welcome to another CAAN tip, where we deliver fencing tips in under 120 seconds. Today, we're addressing an important issue: how to secure your fence against vandalism. Vandalism can be frustrating and costly, but with a few smart strategies, you can protect your fence from unwanted damage. Step 1. Reinforce your fence. Choose durable materials like metal or reinforced wood, and set your posts in concrete to add strength and prevent easy damage. Step 2. Install security lighting. Motion-activated lights are a great deterrent, as they startle vandals and keep your property well lit at night. Step 3. Add anti-climb features. Spikes or security toppers can make it difficult for vandals to scale your fence, increasing its security. Step 4. Use surveillance cameras and signs. A visible camera and clear signage warning about surveillance can deter vandals from approaching your fence. Step 5. Regularly inspect and involve your community. Maintaining your fence and joining a neighborhood watch program can provide extra security and peace of mind. Let's recap. 1. Reinforce your fence with sturdy materials. 2. Install security lighting. 3. Add anti-climb features. 4. Use surveillance cameras. And 5. Inspect regularly and work with your community. Now you know how to secure your fence against vandalism. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more CAAN tips. Check out our playlist for more. Should you require professional help, you can contact us on this number or on our website. See you next time.